If you want to use SpO2 on your Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all you will have to click on the crown button and simply keep scrolling until you find Fitbit Today. When you open it, you will have to keep scrolling again until you find blood oxygen. This is the SpO2, so we have to click on it, and now as you can see we've got the information about the last sleep session and the information about the percentage of the blood in the oxygen in our blood. So it actually starts measuring the SpO2, the blood oxygen level during the sleep automatically, and you can even synchronize data with your phone if you want by clicking here. So now you just have to wait for the synchronization, and you can for sure open it, and now take a look. We can find this data right here, the oxygen saturation. So as you can see, that's how you can use this feature. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.